Hi, I'm Dr. Kelly Estes, founder and CEO of the Addictions Academy, and I want to tell you about our food addiction certification. As you know, there is such a thing called food addiction, and food addiction has to do with the way foods hit the brain. There's preservatives, there's sugars, all of these different things hijack your dopamine pathway and your serotonin pathways in your brain. So we're going to teach you how to decode that link. What does that look like to be sugar-free or preservative-free or food addiction-free? Now, food addiction can be chemical, it can be emotional. What do these triggers look like? How do we stop them? How do we break the neural pathway from this happening? We're going to teach you the coaching skills to do that, on how to stop food addiction, and how to get somebody emotionally and chemically healed from the process of overeating or emotionally eating and get them to be whole and feel better. Food addiction also comes with 10 weeks of supervision and mentorship, the manual, the best-selling workbook, and all of the bonuses you see below for the particular class. We also hire from within, so if you're looking for clients or you want to get our business bundle, we also offer that if you want to start your own business. And that includes the 7 weeks of business training along with the forms and contracts book. Take a look at everything below and give us a call at 1-800-706-0318, extension 2, if you have any questions. Thanks for stopping by.